Hey, what's up guys? In this video today we compare three best smartphones, which is Realme 9 Pro versus Realme 10 Pro versus Realme 11 Pro. So let's see the full comparison video. Now for display comparison, display type, display size, display resolution, screen to body ratio, PPI density, refresh rate, screen brightness. Now for design comparison, has dimensions, has weight, body frame, same slot, body colors. Now for storage comparison, has RAM, has memory, card slot. Now for platform comparison, has chipset, processor, graphic processing unit, operating system. Now for rear camera comparison, rear first camera megapixel, rear second camera megapixel, rear third camera megapixel, has flash. Now for selfie camera comparison, selfie camera megapixel. Now for connectivity comparison, has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, positioning, NFC, USB connectivity. Now for sensors comparison, has fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro and compass, proximity. Now for battery comparison, battery capacity, battery fast charging. Now for sound comparison, stereo speakers, 3.5 mm jack. Now for features comparison, network type, announcement. Now for price comparison, has price USD. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe for Gadgets Compare.